Hey! Hey! Hey, somebody here? Somebody here? The tornado is coming. I'm gonna investigating the. We're gonna investigating the tornado. Okay. Let's see my computer. If my laptop is red, he detected a tornado. Okay, it's starting. Okay, it's starting. Okay, where is the... What? It detected red. That must be the tornado is around here. I'm gonna tell everyone. I'm gonna tell everyone. I'm gonna tell everyone. Stop, stop. A tornado warning is here. A tornado warning. I need to prepare too, guys. I'm gonna everyone show this. Let's go. He recognizes me. He just recognizes me. The tornado is coming. my car. I break my car. Starting up. Okay. Where did that sign? Okay, boats spawning beyond this point. We detected a tornado. That must be. Okay. Brookhaven News. Oh, the tornado. We should going to get this. We detected a tornado in the Philippines. I need to go to the Philippines because there's a tornado. I gonna see everyone of this. The tornado is coming. I need to go to my house. I need to get my donator. My donate. I need to leave this house now. Oh no. I cannot do it. Oh, there's a helicopter. That was means I'm gonna escape on my. Let's go. Evacuate. The tornado is coming. I need to go to the beach. Hey, that's mine. That's my house. That's not your house. That's mine because the tornado is coming. I need to go to the beach. I'm gonna go here. Ew. Where did that poop come from? Ew. I need to leave this Philippines. I need to pack my bags. I need to go to the airport. to leave this. I'm going to another world. I'm going to the another land. I gonna need go to the up of that. I'm gonna going into that. I'm going into the. I'm going into the airplanes because it's no. It's the because it's there's a because there's a tornado. Wait, I'm going to go to the airport. I'm going to leave this world into another world. I need to have a parachute. I need to go to the parachute. I need to get my bugs. What? Okay. That seems fine. What did I do? This is my bag. I need to go to the airport. I need to go to the airport. Okay, now I can go to the airport now. Please, I'm gonna late to the tornado. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Okay, my Brookhaven TV. Let's try do a night. The tornado is. I need to go to the another. Now I'm in the America. I'm in the America. Wait, why I am in the space? Wait a minute, where am I? Where am I? Oh, there he is. Okay, I'm landing here. Here's my... Okay, this is now. So the tornado is in. I'm in the America.